Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a video on most frequently asked Java interview questions. So let's start. So the first question is, what is method overriding? You can answer this question as method overriding in Java is when a subclass provides its own implementation of a method that is already defined in its superclass. The overridden method must have the same name, the same return type, and the parameters. It allows the runtime polymorphism and lets a subclass customize or extend the behavior of a superclass method. The next question is, what is method overloading? So method overloading in Java is when a class has multiple methods with the same name but different parameter lists. That is, different number or type or order of parameters. It allows a method to perform similar tasks with different inputs, improving the code readability and flexibility. Question is, what is an interface? An interface in Java is a reference type that defines a contract of abstract methods that a class must implement. It supports multiple inheritance and is used to achieve abstraction and define common behavior across unrelated classes. The next question is, what is the difference between abstract class and interface? The answer to this question is, the main difference is that an abstract class can have both abstract and concrete methods, while an interface can only have abstract methods until Java 8+, where the default and the static methods are allowed. Abstract classes support single inheritance, whereas interfaces support multiple inheritance, making them ideal for defining common behavior across the unrelated classes. The next question is, what is an abstract class? The answer is, an abstract class in Java is a class that cannot be instantiated and may contain abstract methods like a method without a body, as well as concrete methods with a body. So it can contain both. It serves as a base for other classes to extend and is used to define common behavior while leaving the specific implementation to subclass. The question is, what is polymorphism? So polymorphism in Java is the ability of an object to take on many forms. It allows one interface to be used for different underlying data types, enabling method overriding, that is runtime polymorphism, and method overloading, that is compile time polymorphism, which makes code more flexible and extensible. The next question is, what is static in Java? The answer is, in Java, static is a keyword used to indicate that a member, that is a variable or a method or a block, belongs to the class rather than the instances of the class. It means that the member can be accessed without creating an object, and it is shared among all the instances of the class. The next question is, what is final in Java? In Java, final is a keyword used to restrict the modification. When applied to a variable, it makes the variable constant. When applied to a method, it prevents overriding. And when applied to a class, it prevents inheritance. It helps ensure stability and security in the code. The next question is, what is the difference between string, string buffer, and string builder? You can answer this question as, string is immutable, meaning its value cannot be changed once created. Any modification results in a new string object. Then comes string buffer. It is mutable and thread safe, meaning its value can be modified and it is synchronized for use in multi-threaded environments. Next comes string builder. This is also mutable but not thread safe, making it faster than string buffer for single-threaded environments. In short, string is immutable, string buffer is mutable and thread safe, string builder is mutable but not thread safe. The next question is, what is encapsulation? So the answer to this question is, encapsulation in Java is the concept of wrapping data, that is variables, and code, that is methods, together as a single unit, typically using classes. It helps protect the internal state of an object by making fields private and providing public getter and setter methods to access or modify them, ensuring controlled access and improved security. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.